So guys, here I have another fabric here. This is gold. I'm gonna use this. It's a gold little strip my daughter gave me from her fabric pieces, and I'm gonna use this to make a mask. It's actually thick, so it's like you can see, nothing will go through. So I find that it's perfect. I don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm experimenting. So you can see, I'll take it and it could go around my mouth, and it's cute because it's gold and it's glamorous. I love to have something that's fabric that has a little, fancy, nice look to it. Yes, I know we're in the corona and it's scary and everything, but not because we're subjected to this means we have to just feel like life is over. I don't want to feel like that. I want to still be able to wear things I like, do things I like, even if I'm quarantined inside. And when I do have to go out, what's wrong with still looking fabulous? Okay, so this is what I did to this. I put a hole and I punched it with the hole puncher, and then I put a button. And if you see right here, I tied it with a string, and I'm gonna cut it off and put a little dot on it, right? And then see how it has it here. So when I put it on, it will flap open and go like this. It's not finished. And then remember these strings I showed you before that came off of my daughter's pants, actually one of my son's pants. And all you would need is this right here. See, put it on, and this will stretch around the back. So let me finish it, then I can show you. And if not, you could use any elastic string that you have that's supportive. You don't have to use this kind, and you don't even have to use this mask. You could use any other kind of mask, but I'm just giving you guys a different idea if you don't want the ones that's on the market or you're not able to find one. And that's it. So basically this is the other side, right? And you take it just like how I did it, and you see the same thing what I did here, right? Right? It doesn't have to be perfect. I take the hole puncher, right? Punch. Sorry if you hear my children in the background. They're not sleeping, and I just want to show you. Then I use this to just make the hole a little bigger. See that? Right here. You can see. And then I take this string and just cut a little strip of the string off, right? Then the buttons doesn't have to match, but these are the buttons, right? See? I put the string through the button, which holds it. See? Hold both of them, right? Just like that. And then I'm gonna push it through the hole. Thing about it, it's kind of like small, so you gotta get them in here. Alright, get them right in here and pull it through. I could get it through. There's many different ways. If you don't want to use this way, there's a simple way. See, I got one through, right? The next one, put it right through. I just use the string and push it right through that. If I could get them through. I just gotta get the string. I got it, guys. So now it's in. And you can see, put it through, and it's right here. So now I gotta do the other side. Get the string. Oops, the glue. Now I gotta get the string to the other side. Once I get it through. So now it's in, but it doesn't have to be. You can make it anyhow you want. But you see the button and the string. So what I do, turn it over, right? Tie a little knot, right? See that? And then I am so sorry for my children and making so much noise, but yeah, so it is okay at home with the children doing the DIY to make a mask for you, my friends. So, see, put a little knot right there to hold it in place, and then you add a little glue so it can lock in and not come off, And then see the strap here, and you see, that's it, like this. Take this, and that's it. And that's it. And you just tilt it in. And that's it. You see, guys? And here's a little mask. Now I'm going to fix it a little bit more, but I'm just showing you guys. See? And there you go.
That's fire. That's fire.
And the collar is shimmy. And then you see, right on the back. See? And then you just take it off. And that's it. On my earpiece. See, basically. And see? A little more out. I'm going to do a little more image so you see, but you see the elastic and it holds it right in place. And that's it. See? Simple. Nothing perfect. Just to cover our face. And you know, I could just glue these parts in right here. Pull it down if I want. So it could stay. Or not. Or just keep it. But that's it. You see?
You got to be kidding me. Look at this.
Put it down.
I'm not eating it. I'm just saying, look how much they got water.
And then also, this is the gold one that I made. Right, very simple. And being that I had messed up earlier, so I had to put a little patch on the glue to hold it. And I put a little denim fabric in between because it was the material is very slippery from the glue. Didn't hold well. But and if you see, I have buttons here like I showed you earlier, and with a little string. Same thing. And this is just a strip I showed you guys. It comes right off, so simple. And then you just put it right on and you adjust it. And the good thing about it has different slits. I took this right out of my daughter. She's 5 years old now, and her pants don't fit her anymore. So I took it right out of the way. So if you have children who have these, please don't do that. So if you have children who old clothes that don't fit them, you can take them right out of the waist, and that's it. So basically, and then I adjust this to the nose bridge by cutting the slit, putting it together, and putting the strip like this, right around. Right, take it, and you adjust it, the string, right to where you want it to be. If I could get it in. Okay, so that's in. Oh, you know what? It's falling down. So, I have to put it over to here. Yeah. I'll show you guys. This is what you call it. See? Then I'll turn around and show you. That's it. Simple face mask. Go over here, mouth, and the nose. See? Now, there's a little ear here, which is not there, but I always bring it down a little bit, and that's it. I can make it a little more tighter and do it like this with the strap. And it should be fine. But quick and easy face mask. And that's it. And the material is really thick. It's like a leather. I don't think this is leather, but it feels like it, and it's really thick, so no air goes through. See? And that's it. Simple face mask. DIY for you guys. Simple. Glue, buttons. If you can't find a face mask anywhere for you, just look in your house, find what materials, resources you have, and you get to DIYing it, and that's it, and you have your quick face mask. Now, it may not be the ones as They're having hospitals with the ventilators and the safe precaution, but it's better safe than sorry. And covering your nose and your mouth, and you should be fine. And that's it. Till next time, guys. We're just being creative. Bye bye. Here's another one. Same thing. A little thick and protected than you have here. See your buttons. Just glued on and sits. Nothing fancy. I was a technical difficulty. I was when it's time to make the nose part, kind of messed it up, but you have an idea. You just take the strip, cut it, and line it to your face correctly. Take the elastic, put it on. See? Right over the button. I put some glue to reinforce the string so it's a little tight. That's fine. See? There you go. Same thing. And you know, you don't have to do it like this, really. You could just put it on and then stretch the string over it. So we could try that also. So let me do that. Let's see how that works. Just like how it was. See? And it's and then you can put it a little tighter. Like a demonstration just showing you. But same thing.